Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 119 of Building the Delorean from Back to the Future. In this issue, we're fitting some exhaust pipes. Very cool. Nice, interesting stuff to do, a little bit different. So, yeah, we're going to be making up some exhaust pipes, putting some grills on the end there, metal grills, and then fitting brackets and fitting the exhaust pipes finally to there. They're obviously then going to fit to the huge vents on the back there by the looks of it. I think it might be further back. No, it's got to be, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But not today. Today, we're going to look at Christopher Lloyd. What Christopher Lloyd did next after the Back to the Future. He was in some other things. Then we look at lightning. I don't know. Power from the skies. Oh, the lightning of this clock tower strike. Yeah, there we go. And then we've got some more pipes to fit to the reactor next time. And we start the Time Traveler's Guide. If you're ever a time traveler, you need the guide. So come back next time for that. But first of all, let's get this part built. Right, here are today's parts. Mainly plastic with some metal grills. But first of all, we've got to put these parts together. So we attach them thusly with some AP screws. I'll build one and then I'll do the other one later. So I won't need that or that. So let's get out some screws. I'm going to need 2 for this one and then 2 for the other one in a moment. But yeah. So yeah, these are very simply done. Screw through there to hold it together. One would probably have done it, but you know, why not? Put another one through there as well. Put them both down. Okay, and then we get to fit the grill. We've got to bend up the ends first. These should be fairly easy. Don't need any special tooling just to fold up those 2 sides. We're going to use IP screws for that. I'm going to need 2 for that and 2 for the other one in a minute. Let's keep that one. Just drops. There we go. Let's put that in the packet actually rather than dropping it loose. I'll just keep dropping it loose. I'll put it over there for now. Okay. So this is going to go cover that end with the screw simply going in that side and on the other side the same. I'll tighten them both down obviously as well. So there we have that and that. There we go. Right, I shall get the other one assembled and then we'll see about attaching this and these to that. Right, that's those all assembled. So we've now got to fit them. Again, I'm going to do one side and then do the other off camera. These are different, so make sure you get the right one on the right side. This one's got to go on that side. You can tell because of the way it fits with the pin going through the hole and then the 2 screw holes lining up there. We're using GP screws to hold that in place. I shall just get one in there today now for you, just to hold it in place so you can see how it's going together. Going through there into that. Like so. The other one, I'll get the other one. I'll do it. Why not? While I'm here. I've only got to do it anyway. So that goes in the other side, just there. Like that. And this is just acting as a little shelf bracket to hold the end of the exhaust in place, which goes on there. Again, these have to be the right way round. Pin and screw. Same GP screw in there. And indeed in there. So that is that. We've got that assembled and on there. It does the job. Got a bit of a seam, but not terrible. It's all going to be covered by stuff anyway. Pretty sure that the vent's actually going to go over the top of it. So you're not going to be able to see any of that. Let me get the other side on as well, and that will be that. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more and hopefully tomorrow, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.